Good morning from Bentan Market.
This way, please.
Pero feeling naman namin hindi siya.
Okay, you like it? Yeah, thank you.
Siyempre, pinaghanapan natin yung gabi nito.
6:30 yung show, pero merong pre-show.
Gigisingin ka ng 3 araw. What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony.
And I'm Mommy.
And today we are here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
Yung hotel namin, unlimited yung fruits. Ayan, whatever's in season. Tapos, unlimited din yung yogurt, juice, coffee. Ayan. Pero yung pinaka-meal, by order siya. Ito siya. Maliit lang yung breakfast place. Pero masarap yung food nila. Ayan. Say hi, Mommy.
Morning.
Ayan. Tapos doon nila ginagawa yung sa loob ng kitchen. Ayan yung kitchen. Say hi! Good morning!
Good morning from Bentan Market. So, pumunta kami ngayon ng umaga kasi dito yung meeting place namin para sa cooking class.
Yes, meron kaming cooking class pero magsa-start kami sa pamamalengke.
Yes. So, punta na kami doon kung saan yung meeting place.
Let's go!
Tara no!
Mami, excited ka? Excited?
Yes, I'm excited. I'm so excited.
Ang daming kakainan dito sa gitna ng Bentan. Souvenirs. And of course, mga kape. Madami silang coffee beans. So we're here at the West Gate of Bentan Market. If may tour kayo na dito din magmi-meet, pwede kayo pumunta sa gitna. May mga arrows doon kung nasa ng east, west, north, and south gates nila para hindi kayo maligaw. So dito na yung guide namin. Sili-check lang niya yung mga kasali kasi medyo madami kami. Pero this should be fun. Are you excited?
Yes. I am. Mainit lang talaga.
Oo, kaya meron kaming yellow. Ayan.
And fan.
Ready naman kami. Let's go!
Okay, welcome to the cooking class. My name is Hoàng. Yeah, I'm your chef today. And the last one is chicken noodle soup phở gà.
Ah, yes.
Okay, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. This is the south, the main gate. And today we go to the market to prepare, to looking for the food. So we go to the north, this way.
Those are the signages, so you know where to go.
We don't cook with it. We don't cook. We just take the meat, mix with the ice and a little sugar and sweet. Tastes very good. All the fruit here come from the Mekong River, and you know Mekong River, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the river they have the soil, so that's why very good to plant a tree and a fruit. Yeah, rose apple.
Yeah.
Bãi dầu mà. Bãi dầu chứ. 100.
Sarap, no? Nako pa.
This is a dry fruit. We have a pickle shrimp, pickle eggplant, and a pickle lemon. Yeah, and a dry fruit, shrimp here. In your country, you see this one, right?
Yeah, we have a lot of those.
Yeah, this is spicy. You can take a look at that.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. You know pho, right? So we have a spicy, the main spicy to make the good smell, the special smell of the chicken noodle or the beef noodle. You can cook around 400. You can open the restaurant with this one.
Okay. We'll do that.
You know, we have a coffee cooking glass and we also have a coffee glass. And this is a place we buy the coffee. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Coconut.
Delicious coconut.
Welcome to the wet market. And here is a place where we prepare for the meat. In here is the beef, and over there is the meat store. We call it long leg island. Yeah, the long leg island.
That's so
Just have
small.
one step like this. This one.
That's so small.
In the south, this one in the south. Very easier and flavor. Smell very good. Yeah, the meat's very, very soft.
What is
It's a
it?
kaffir lamb.
Oh, coffee and lime, yeah.
Yeah, kaffir lamb.
Kaffir lime.
To make the tom yum.
Yeah.
Apron. Apron.
And the soup first, because the soup we have to cook around 1 hour. Flip over on the fire. Continue. This is the cardamom, and to make a good smell, special smell for the noodle, we have to dry it on the pan. Use the mango. First.
Here's your salad. Oops. That's our finished product for this salad. So we're on the second dish now.
Okay,
Our chef. Malapot na namin, guys. Cooking. Sobrang init. And then si Mommy is also cooking. So we're making chicken pho and buncha. So hindi pa tapos. We're still making it. That's the finished product.
Happy? Yes. Very happy. And buckets of
So good.
nice. Quality. You know why?
Why?
In the last.
How's the chicken soup?
Siyempre, pinaghanapan natin yung Lorenzo.
Try the chicken. They gave us yogurt for dessert.
Where was that again?
Oh, may nata.
Sarap.
Okay, thank you so much. This is our three courses today. Mango salad, the grilled pork belly with the noodle, Hanoi style. And the last one is chicken noodle soup. Now we go downstairs, prepare your for the recipe because I have to write it down. No, I have the book already.
Okay.
Let me see you there. Okay.
Thank you, chef. We got our own recipe.
You go this way.
Yay!
Yeah, go to the history.
Getting the tickets here.
Yes.
So my friend's gonna give you the ticket right now.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your next to each other.
Okay.
Divide per person, but ticket in hand and go inside.
Okay. Can we go inside now? Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Together.
We have a welcome break later.
Okay.
Normally I would do a small introductions right here, but we have a big crowd, so let's move upstairs first. Follow me to the first floor, and then we'll continue from there. This way, please.
So 5 PM pa lang, 6:30 yung show, pero merong pre-show at the Saigon Opera House.
So, first time namin manonood ng show dito sa Saigon Opera House.
Munti ko na sabihin Sydney Opera House. Matagal pa yun, hindi pa yun.
Welcome to the Saigon Opera House and our show. Today we're gonna have like a short visit inside the Saigon Opera House. My name is Hao, and I am going to be your host for your short visit today.
Hello, Chibibis.
Andito kami sa Le Bois. Sa Hotel Intercontinental. Kasi sobrang init pa dun sa Saigon Opera House. So, hindi namin, pinababa kami dun sa lobby, which is wala namang AC. Kaya nag-decide kami magstay dito sa tabi na hotel.
Yep. So, dito lang siya sa tapat. That's the Opera House right there. And then, magko-coffee muna kami dito. Kasi pag nag-dinner kami, baka matagalan kami. So, after the show na lang kami magdi-dinner. So, we're watching the AO show. Hindi dapat talaga ganun sabihin. Sabihin mo, AO. Yeah. So, sabi nila, para siyang Cirque du Soleil na show. So, excited kami dito.
Yes. So, tara! Not tayo later.
Oh, and isa pa, kasi nakalagay doon, smart casual. So, syempre, when you're gonna watch in an opera house, dapat nga naman naka-ano. Pero may iba naka-shorts lang. Pinapasok naman sila, naka-flip-flop. Sabi, bawal daw. But anyway, pero kayo, when you come here, if you want to watch the show, nag-dress up a bit na lang. Pero wag na kayo mag-expect na malamig, so wag na kayo mag-jacket. Pero something na mas, ano naman, wag naman masyadong pang-beach attire. Para lang mas maganda din sa photos nyo din, di ba, inside the opera house. So, buti din maaga kami dumating kasi
merong pre-show.
So, nag-explain lang a bit about the Opera House. Sinabi yung history niya. Excited kami for this. So, Mommy got strawberry yogurt. I got sea salt coffee. And then, Tony got Vietnamese coffee na mukhang...
Nagigisingin ka ng 3 araw.
Matapang.
Kaya kayo paglaban, kahit kanino.
Yan, sobrang cute ng coffee ko, guys. Ayoko siyang galawin. Got some mozzarella sticks. And guys, umuulan ng malakas. Doon lang kami pupunta sa Opera House. The show starts at 6. It's already
5:37.
hoping kami tumila pa yung ulan in a few minutes. Yung bill namin sa 2 kape, isang yogurt drink, at saka fried mozzarella stick. We paid 653,184 dong. Not bad.
Not bad for Hotel Intercontinental Saigon.
So, tumila na yung ulan. Punta na kami sa Opera House. Thank you.
Please go straight inside.
Thank you. So, nandito na kami. Manonood na kami. Bawal na mag-video.
Yes.
See you later.
Tayo sa regulasyon.
Yeah. See you later. Bye.
Naglalakad. Maghahanap kami ng restaurant na kakainan at si Mami pagod na.
Pero dito lang malapit sa hotel para madali kami makabalik. Yes. At saka marami kami nakita dito eh. So, explore namin yung ibang streets. So, ayun. Kakahanap namin ng kakainan. Dito kami napadpad.
Tsaka lang.
Tsaka lang.
Tsaka lang.
Totoo guys, ayun o.
Tsaka lang.
Oh, tsaka lang. Pero feeling naman namin hindi tsaka kasi ang daming kumakain sa baba. Dito na kami sa second floor.
Ground floor. As in puno, walang pwesto. So, ilakad kami sa VIP room na feeling namin, since walang pwesto sa baba, gusto namin may AC, dito kami dinala.
Grilled siya na parang may hot pot din. Puro seafood. Tapos nakalagay, ano siya eh, traditional Vietnamese food. So, Try natin. Hindi talaga namin alam anong pinapasok namin as usual.
Kasi ang dami na Vietnamese usual na kinakain. Like pho, banh mi, ang dami. Pero gusto namin mag-try ng iba.
Tara, share namin sa inyo in a bit. So, ito yung in-order namin. Nasabi sa inyo, di namin sure kung ano talaga. Pero, parang nakotensi lang yan, guys. So, ayan. Tutulungan naman niya kami. Hindi naman niya kami papabayaan. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayun, mga dahil tiruan kami. So, una, ni-stir fry yung gulay dun sa pan. And then, nilagay yung fish with ginger. Tapos, nalagyan ng noodles, itong maliit namin na bowl. And then, fish, gulay, nilagyan ng sauce, and then, let's try it.
Let's try it. Sarap?
Ang sarap ng fish. Kaya siya ng tilapia natin. Sarap.
Very good. Kakain muna kami, guys. Yung salad, try din natin. Fish pa din siya. Try it. Ay, oo.
Diba?
Ang sarap nga. Ay, kakain na talaga kami. Ang sarap. Surprisingly good na naman yung na-discover namin. Pero nakalagay dito, it's a traditional Vietnamese dish. So, tatanong namin sa hotel kung ano siya.
Yung fish niya kakaiba, pero may ko-compare ko siya sa tilapia. Yung isang fish, tapos yung gut, may ko-compare ko siya sa intestine.
Tapos yung bill namin sa lahat ng ito kasi naka-combo, tapos dalawang drinks is $439,000. Tapos yung salad, this one, surprisingly good din.
Ano lang siya, may fish siya, yung fish niya madilaw-dilaw. So, bahala na ako ano but like that. And then, puro white onion. And then, iba't ibang klase ng gulay. Sarap. Alam niyo yung sushi dito is yung dipping sauce nila.
Sarap.
Sauce.
Yes.
Ang sarap.
Sobrang na-enjoy namin to.
At hindi talaga siya tsaka.
Hindi totoo na tsaka siya. Kasabihan lang. Okay. Pagkatapos ito, babalik lang kami sa hotel. Dadaan kami ng 7-Eleven. Dadaan kami ng mini-stop kasi sabi ni Mami gusto niya ng gatas. Also pala guys, yung show na pinanood namin, yung Ako show sa Saigon Opera House, sobrang sulit. Ang ganda niya. So medyo mako-compare siya sa Cirque du Soleil. Maganda siya. Although not as not as grand. Pero may mga acrobatics. Bawal kasi mag-video eh. Tapos, 1 hour lang yung buong show.
Walang break.
Pero yun, ang ganda niya. Nakakaaliw. Si Mami aliw na aliw talaga. And then at the end, may photo session pa kami with the cast. So, nandun sila sakto nung palabas kami. Hindi ganun kahaba yung pila to take photos with them. Tsaka mabilis lang. Yung staff na rin ng Opera House yung nag-take ng photos para sa inyo.
Fun fact, sila ang unang Vietnamese group na nakapag-perform sa Sydney Opera House. Diba? Amazing. And nakapag-perform sila sa 50 big cities around the world. Diba? Social.
Galing talaga nila, nakakaaliw. Yun lang yung nasa harap ko kasi medyo big hair. Para siyang si Julia Roberts. So medyo na-cover niya ng konti yung stage. So,
pero kung kaya nyo naman na sa balcony, we recommend sa balcony kasi sobrang sulit niya.
yeah. Actually, yung tawag sa mga sa ano nila, it's not
Hindi balcony.
hindi balcony. Wow area. Parang ganon. Cute nga eh.
I-explain kasi ng isang staff na yung live music doon sa stage na babounce sa ceiling ng Opera House and then unang tatamaan yung sa balcony. So, yung wow area. So, yung music, sobrang ganda. Sobrang buo, sabi niya.
Yung show, we got the tickets from Klook. And if you also want to get your tickets and get a discount, you can use our promo code TravExplorers. Yeah. But we'll also put the link sa description box. Sa lahat ng mga binok namin sa Klook, makikita nyo yan dyan. Actually, pati sa mga ibang videos namin, if meron kaming minention na binok namin through Klook, you'll see the links sa description box.
Pasok ba sa banga, Beshi?
Yes, definitely. Pasok! Chama! Gusto niyo ba yung mga sound effects ni Chop Downy? So, sa tabi ng kinainan namin, meron ditong Top Vietnamese Foodie Gifts and Souvenirs. So, souvenir shop siya ng mga Vietnamese snacks. So, tara, pasok tayo. So, dito sa malapit sa restaurant na kinainan namin, merong parang souvenir shop ng mga snacks. Meron silang coffee, candies, na mga delicacies. We're getting this. So, kunyari itong mango roll candy. It's for 92,000 dong. So, meron silang mga brown rice oatmeal. 40,000 dong. Ang laki na niya, ha? Mga peanut. Hala-hala, iba-iba yung prices niya. Meron din sila dito parang mga hopya. Ang feeling ko hopya talaga siya. Mung pia cake. Diba? Yun yung pia ng hopya. 72,000 dong. Tapos meron din silang mga dried fruits. Ito, dried lang kaog. Ito, 115. May 85. May 43. So, depende. May dried apple mango. Meron silang prawn cracker. 88,000. Ito pa mga iba pang prawn cracker. 250. They have tea, oh. Jasmine tea. Ginseng. 16,000 dong. Lotus tea. Premium jasmine. 37,000 dong. Tsaka iba pang mga tea. Meron din silang ganito. Keychain. 25,000 dong yung mga wooden keychains. Ref magnet. 40,000 dong. Ang cute. They also have the hats. This one is 160,000 dong. Ang cute. Ay, ang cute. Keychain na hat. Oh, tignan mo. Cute. This one 60,000 dong. Good morning, guys. Dumaan lang kami dito sa Saigon Square para pakita sa inyo anong meron dito. This is like their Green Hills. Si Mami iniwan muna namin sa hotel kasi late yung flight namin para makapagpahinga siya. Kamusta naman, guys? Yung nasa Vietnam ka na, Uniqlo pa rin ang pinuntahan mo. Okay, actually kinailangan kong bumili ng shirt kasi nagkulang ako ng damit dahil sa init. Asan tayo?
Nasa Takashimaya.
Nasa Takashimaya ulit kami. And dito kami sa Tom Tam Mok. We're gonna eat broken rice. Actually gusto namin i-try yung nasa labas sa may tabi ng Saigon Square. Kaya lang ang init talaga. Bilang mga polar bears, hindi namin kakayanin yun. Baka malusaw kami. Ayan si Chub Tony.
Kabili na naman ng damit ang ate nyo. I mean, di damit, sweatshirt. For isang travel natin na winter.
And here is... Actually, this is Tony's food. This is Eka's. Ay, joke lang. Sa amin dalawa pala to. Hindi pala yan yung sa akin. Ayan. So, broken rice with grilled pork, egg, and shredded pork.
So, puro siya pork.
Tapos, nag-order din kami ng Vietnamese spring rolls. And this one's mine. Grilled pork and shredded pork. Pork on pork.
Okay, so broken rice.
Sarap.
Sarap. Actually, ang pagkain nito, lahat siya masama-samahin mo sa isang tubo.
Kain mo na kami. So, nandito na naman po tayo sa pinakamalungkot na part ng ating pagbabiyahe. ang uwian.
Yeah, so waiting kami to board. Meron pa kaming mga ilang minutes. Chab, Eka, anong favorite mong part sa trip natin ngayon sa Vietnam?
Siyempre, dahil kasama natin si Mami. Yun yung favorite ko. Pero for the activities, yung cooking.
Cooking.
Love ko yung cooking class. Siyempre, I was in my elements. Kasi yun na natatanong. Pero tatanungin nyo din. I love cooking. So, ikaw, anong favorite part mo sa trip
Siyempre,
natin?
yung food. And then yung pho. Ito nga, no? Kakain ka ng pho. So, ayun. And then, second, yung cooking. And third, yung show sa Saigon Opera House.
So, tanungin din natin si Mami. Mami, ikaw, anong favorite part mo ng trip natin na to?
Ako? Yung show. Sa Saigon Opera House.
Yes.
The best.
Yan lang.
Super galing. Super ganda.
Pero na-enjoy mo yung trip?
Enjoy na enjoy ko yung trip. Meron pa akong second eh.
Ay, sige. Ano yung
cooking?
Ay, cooking class. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Mami.
Ayun, yung Cyclo, it could have been my favorite kung hindi ganun kainit. Yun. Kasi sobra. Parang alam mo yun, tanghaling tapat talaga. Pero masaya siya. Masaya siyang experience kung gagawin nyo siya ng hapon, yung sunset, hanggang gabi.
Kung hapon siya hanggang gabi, yung hindi tirik yung araw, sobrang okay niya na experience talaga. Tapos nagkataon din kasi na dito sa trip na to, nakasabay na 50 years na reunification ng Vietnam. So, malaking celebration siya. Actually, sa April 30 pa siya. Pero this week, ang dami nilang mga practices, ang dami iba-ibang activities. So, grabe yung traffic.
Ang daming daanan na sarado din.
Oo. May maganda na ginawa kami here, which is yung Grab na schedule a ride. Except, hindi siya okay nung airport. Well, probably because yung kuya na kumuha, hindi siya nagpunta agad on time. Pero the rest of na mga ni-schedule namin, perfect siya kasi pagbaba namin nandun na sila. So, sakto siya for our activities.
And we would like to thank the family of Annie. So, sa same hotel kami nagstay kasi sobrang naging friends na namin yung family ni Annie. So, thank you to Annie's mom and dad. Actually, kanina, nagulat kami, alis na kami, lumabas yung mommy ni Annie, hinag kami, isa-isa, ay nagpa-thank you siya. So,
sobrang
diba?
sweet nila. Tsaka, yung dad din niya, as in, madalas kasi yung dad niya pag bumababa kami, yung nagbabantay sa lobby. Tapos ang dami niya laging sinasuggest, you go here, you try this. So, super saya. Pero sorry girls, wala na si Sunny sa hotel.
Yes, ayun lang. Wala na si Sunny.
Nakahanap siya ng better opportunity for him. So, hindi din namin siya nakita for this trip. So, this trip din talaga is all about bringing seniors with you to your trip. So, yung talagang pinakamagandang ginawa namin is 2 activities lang per day kasi we have to rest bawat after ng activity, especially if sa labas siya, if outdoor siya. Na-enjoy talaga ni Mommy yung mga activities namin kasi nakakapagpahinga siya before the next one. So, meron kami activity in the morning, balik sa hotel pahinga, and then either afternoon or evening na yung next activity namin.
And alam nyo naman, ang sobrang init din dito sa Vietnam. Tanghaling tapat, grabe. Parang Pilipinas. So, kailangan talaga magpahinga ng mga seniors natin.
Yep. At saka yung hack nga ni Mommy sa init is meron siyang dala na ice bag or bulsa de yelo. So, ang saya kasi pwede ka naman bumili sa 7-Eleven na ice na isang cup lang.
Follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hanggang sa susunod na gala.
Paalam!